How are you?
Fine, you, sir.
I'm also fine. Just waiting for you.
Uh, Last day I tried to my lab and I success
So successfully
for the
you
yes,
would perform all the hands-ons.
yes, sir.
Perfect. Let me share my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for today, we will start with a basic thing. Mm, just allow me 1 minute. So if you are having CUCM and accidentally you deleted any phone, but that number is configured earlier in CUCM, and everything like description and number, alerting name, and two things are configured, then how can you find out? So you have one option that is called directory number. From call routing, you will get a directory number. This one. From here, you can put the description, the name of user, and click find. You will get like which number is uh, assigned to which user, just like a route plan report, right?
Sir.
So I hope this is not new to you.
Sir.
You
Sir.
are already aware about this
Yeah,
because this
yeah,
is the very basic. Now,
yes, sir.
today's very important topic. You must be aware, but let me recap. Topic is calling privilege, or you can say calling restrictions. And if I explain this one, then it will be divided into partition and CSS. CSS stands for the calling search space. Are you aware about this topic?
Yes, sir. Little bit, not too deeply, sir.
Okay. What do you understand? Just tell me. After that, I will explain according to that.
Partition is who can call me on CSA? Why can he call?
Okay, that is the bookish
So,
definition. That is
so
the
little,
definition. That is the definition you can find on internet or in book. But my question is, what do you exactly understand by this?
no, sir. That, I don't know, sir.
Okay. Uh, so see, we have two things. One is calling party one is your called party, right? What
Yes, sir.
is the meaning of calling?
Who
Who
call?
who
Call.
is making call? Who is making call and to whom call is made, right? If
Sir.
there are two extensions, 2001 and 2002. If 2001 is calling to 2002, then 2001 would be calling party
Calling part.
and this would be called party, right? Now,
Sir.
we are jumping to our this scenario. Now, I am telling you one small story. Just be with me and answer my questions, right?
Go ahead, sir. I shh. Don't.
Okay, actually, I mute myself. Now, okay. So, see, there is a one person. This is one person who is having keys, and here is one gate, right? And there is a, you can say, lock. Now, I am giving you some situations. First, this user is not having key and there is no lock. So, is it possible that this person can enter or open this lock?
Yes, sir. It's can easily open.
Okay, situation is correct. Now, second situation. User is having key, but there is no lock.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Third, he is having no key, but there is lock. Then user is not having key, but there is lock. Is he able to enter or open the gate? Hmm. Sound?
I didn't hear you, sir. Now, so it's a sound. It's little bit the broccoli.
Okay. Could you please check your internet connection? Because I'm good. If I show you my internet speed, let me
Yeah.
show you. If I click on this one, if I show you the speed, just need to check from your end.
Yes,
I'm good
sir.
at my side. You can see more than 100 Mbps I'm having. So upload doesn't matter. I'm not going to upload anything. Am I audible clear now?
I test my internet connectivity, sir.
Okay. Your internet connection fluctuated, right?
This
Okay.
sir, 930 downloads, sir.
Wow. Great. Okay. Great.
Mbps.
So my third question is user not having the key, but there is lock. So would would he enter or not?
No, sir.
Okay. Cross. Fourth situation, saying user is having key and there is lock as well. So in this one, I have two situations. One is with correct key. Is it possible to enter?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Only
And incorrect key?
doesn't.
Okay. No. Now, is there any confusion, doubt in this example?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. So I am putting the key name as a CSS, calling search space. And I'm putting the lock name as a partition. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear. Clear.
Okay. Now I'm correlating this situation to partition and CSS. By default, by default, CSS and partition are none. Nothing is configured. So this is my first situation. No key, no lock. It means my call will work. But before this one, I would like to tell you one thing that I'm mentioning. Mm, CSS will be checked of calling party, right? And never, if any user is calling, like 2001 is calling, then CSS will be checked of 2001. And partition, partition will be checked of called party. And partition can be defined on any number. Sound, can you hear me?
In here, you now it's clear, sir. Before you are breaking.
Now clear?
Yes, now it's clear. But I don't know why, but something's wrong.
Okay. So,
Again, tell me, sir, after the partition will be checked and after call party, and first one CSS can be defined on device.
okay,
All right, because
I will explain this one, right? As of now, just you need to understand, like CSS will be checked of calling party and partition will be checked on called party.
call party. Okay.
How to check it, how to verify it, I'll show it. So I'm coming to my slide. Uh, by default, partition and CSS is none. Just remember my example. There is no key, there is no lock. If I say no key, and here I'm saying no lock. So call will work, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second, CSS is defined. Defined means having key, but again, here is no lock. It means none. So call will work. Is it correct? Clear, Shaun?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Third situation is user is not having key means none. No key. But partition is defined. Define means to say lock. Call will not
No
work.
work. No work.
Again, in fourth situation, I say defined. Here is also defined. Means user is having the key and there is lock. So there is two situation. Correct will work, incorrect will not work. So how to do this? If I say, let me open two phones that you configured yesterday. Now I'm taking 4784 as a calling. I will make from this one. So this would be my calling number, and 4545 would be my called number. So let me open the call manager, go to the device. I'm adding one filter, directory number. So if you see, uh, where are directory number? I'm not seeing. Okay, now I'm having. So, 47484. If I'm opening this one, I have mentioned CSS can be configured on the device or line. Just have this definition. So this is my device space. I clicked on phone and you will see calling search space. This is my device CSS. Got it, Shaun?
Got it, sir.
Okay. If I go to the line directory number, then you will see calling search
Calling, sir.
space. This is my
It is for
line
the
CSS.
number for numbers, right,
Line
sir?
CSS.
Line
So
CSS, sir.
if both CSS are configured, device and line, then line CSS will take priority. Understood?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, now, yeah.
Okay.
Line CSS name the priority.
Okay. Now I'm having 4784 is a calling number, 4545 is a call number. So what I'll do, I'll open two pages. I'll keep open two pages. This is my first one, and I will make changes here. And let me open my new tab with the 4545. Partition, where we can define, if you click on the number, then you will see a route partition. This is your partition. If you say the partition or route partition, both are same. Now, see, I'm taking line CCS. Doesn't matter what you take, what you are seeing, calling search space as a none and partition is none. So my call will work or not?
Work, sir.
Can you hear the audio
Yes,
ring?
sir. Yes, sir. The lighting is.
Okay. Now, what is my second situation? CSS is defined. CSS is
Hello, sir. Are you audible? Sir. Oh.
Hey Shaun, am I audible? Sorry, this time
Now,
I
now, now
succeeded.
it's audible, sir.
Okay. So how
Screen share, sir, please.
yeah, please, I'm sharing. So now how to define the partition? So if you go to the call routing, then class of control and select the partition, right? From you can click on find, you will get multiple partitions. Now, as of now, I'm adding. So you can add up to 75 partitions at a time. So how you will add? I say PT underscore X, PT underscore Y and save it. You have created two partition. If you see PTX, PTY. This is the method to create the partition. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now, how to create the CSS? Just go to the again class of control and calling search space. Find. If I click on new, add new CSS underscore X, and if I say save, now this is my created. So if you go with the definition like correct or incorrect, so how we can say this is my CSS X. Here are the partition. So if I select this PTY and I call it, if I say this one like PTY, partition Y is called under CSS X, it means CSS X is having the correct key as a PTY. Is it clear or not?
Is it clear, sir? So they are same as okay, they are same rules in other.
Hmm.
We define the CSS and which partition he can call. So like a PTAY. So
Yes.
like this,
So
sir.
I will, first of all, let me demonstrate it. Then I will give you the task to perform, right?
Okay,
So
sir.
I'm going to device page, then my extension. Okay. So my second situation is partition is defined, means partition is having key. So let me go to this one, 4784. From calling search space, I'm I'm taking, just let me refresh it. So from here, if you see, I'm taking CSSX, but there is no partition. There is a no CSS partition, right? So this call should work. Let's
Yes,
4545 dial. It's working.
it works, sir.
Okay. Now we are jumping to third situation. Your partition, sorry, CSS is none. So let me make it none. And partition is defined. Let me call it Y, PTY, and save it. According to my definition, this call should not work. Third situation. It's not working. You can see,
Yes, sir. I
if I do a reset, like some IVR should be play here. Let me reset it. No, it's not working. Right? Now I'm taking fourth situation, correct and incorrect. So let me, there is a partition defined. Am I audible, Shaun?
yes, sir.
Okay. So here I'm taking one partition as a CSS Kolkata and there is partition as a Y. So should also not work. This is my incorrect key. Okay. So don't worry about this one because you will get this error due to two windows open of a same browser, same IP.
Yes, sir. I know this one.
So now again, it should not work. Again, it's not working.
Yes, sir.
But if I make the CSS as a CSSX and we have configured and partition is Y and that is called under the CSSX, right? You can verify. If you go to the CSS, then if you click on CSSX, you will see PTY. It means it is having the correct key. With this configuration, my call should work.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, as you said, you were earlier, you were having the idea about the partition and CSS. Now tell me, after my small story and after performing the hand sign, how
It's
much you are
better.
clear?
It's better clear, sir. Before I don't know how it works. Now I know.
Okay. Now,
It's all
just
for it's good for our troubleshooting now, sir. Something is
troubleshooting, like partition, the main role is in a calling search, call routing, partition and CSS. Once you are clear about the partition and CSS and you are clear about the call flow, then it's very much easier to you to troubleshoot.
yes,
Yes.
sir. Clear, sir. Now it's clear. I know how it's working the CSS on a partition, sir.
Okay,
Before I
so
was
I'm
not.
just giving you some time. Just take my UltraViewer ID and password and
Okay,
perform the
sir.
same hands-on.
Okay, sir.
Are you taking control, Shaun?
I start my ultra viewers.
Okay, let me check with the Zoom if I can see remote control. Give remote control to Shaun. Okay, on a Zoom, you are having the control. Please try to control my screen. Okay, perfect. It's working. Class of control. Have you noted down all five situations? Five conditions?
Yes, sir. I
Okay.
take the big screenshot, sir.
Okay, fine. Please perform. Then we
Yes,
will
sir.
proceed with the new hands-on.
Okay, sir.
And your theory is remaining. I will try to make it clear today. Otherwise, we will do in our next class. The theory,
Okay. Theory. Okay, sir.
like phone registration and about the cluster, what is the function of DHCP and other things we have done, like function of TFTP, we will see. So we can call multiple partitions in one CSS, class of control. Phone may get closed, so you can close the phones and open it again, right? So you have created the CSS and called the partition. Now test with all conditions, all five. You have not saved anything and you just changed only CSS. Now decide yourself on the called party, which number you will dial, like 4545. What partition you want to make it.
Uh, it's not working.
Not working because if you see the partition of 4545, then there is a PTY is configured and that is not called under the test
Same.
count, CSS
Yeah,
test
sir.
count.
Same money. Yes, sir. Just I try. Yes,
Ha,
sir.
just check with all conditions, then we will
Yes, sir.
proceed further, right?
Yes, sir.
And don't worry about your exam. It would be cleared.
Hope, sir. Connection maybe, sir. Hello, sir.
Wi-Fi got fluctuated. Let me.
Problem, sir. No problem, sir.
So I am assigning you the control. Okay, now you have the control. Please continue. Phones are closed, so you can open them again. It is not saved.
2 times I need that's all. Yeah.
Okay. You are making opposite call.
If this
So first of
telephone,
all,
sir,
just
first
you
of
need to
all,
clear about the calling and call number.
yes, sir. So, and this are not should be work. That is true. Now it's closed to work, and I can measure, and save on the time. So here it's also work. It's now 4, 7, 8, 4, Yeah.
Your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please consult your
Yes,
directory and
this is
call
Thank you.
again, or
message.
ask your operator for
If you get this error, it means there is an issue with the partition and CSS.
Okay, sir. Now it's clear, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, the same calling search that they are, and we can call, make a call, sir.
All conditions verified.
All condition verified, sir.
Okay. Yesterday we did call park.
Yes,
Just
sir.
open the call park option. Please find and open the number which you configured. So same, only one number is there. If you want to implement partition and CSS, you can see third option, partition. If you want to separate the call path numbers, then you can define the partition along with the CSS. If you are
Okay.
having 8 phones and you want to make group of 4, then you can make. So whoever having the access of this partition
Yeah.
will get the call path number, otherwise not.
Okay. Can the call park number individuals per telephone? It's possible or not, sir?
Sorry, I missed your question. Could you
I
please
I
repeat?
I call the call park number. It is randomly called. So all I think I have the 100 telephone, but the call park number is the range what I hear right. That's
Mm-hmm.
come random. It's showing my display randomly, sir.
Okay.
Can I just is static defaults this person get call park number this one exactly
Yes,
this all
but
the
in
time?
that, if you hard code, if you
Yes.
define a particular number, then
Yeah.
only one call can be parked.
Okay, sir. Yes.
But if you define a range, then multiple call can be parked. So if I show you, like if you call from here 4545, let me took it here. It's able to dial. If you click on call park, you can see 7874. I'm just ending this call, right?
Yeah.
7874. But if you change the partition, like I'm putting HR, but
Yeah.
both phones are not having the access of HR, now call will not be parked. No park
Okay.
number available because there is a no reachability due to partition configuration.
Okay. Okay, sir.
But if I call here sound, test sound, both phones should have the access of sound. Only then it would be parked, otherwise not.
Otherwise, not. Yes, sir. That's my question. Yes, sir.
Understood?
Understood, sir. Now it's understood. They must be same partition. Then can parking the call.
Okay. Now I'm giving you new concept. Just let me find out my pen. Okay. So what is the situation?
Are you recording this
Yeah, this is being recorded, and you
recorded, sir?
can, yes, you can
Yes.
contact to a coordination person. He will upload the recording and share with you.
Okay, sir.
Everything is
It is
recorded.
better for it is better for to homework practically again and again. That's good.
You can contact to me. Otherwise, I'll talk to him today regarding
Yes, sir.
recording, right?
What is your number, sir? This number, what you send me link, is it you number?
Uh, I'm extremely sorry, Shaun. You can contact to him regarding this thing, right?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Otherwise, on the last day of our class, we will
Yeah.
share the number, right? I'll
Okay,
get
sir.
here and I will share you. Okay, so concept is this is one cabin, and here are multiple phones. Sorry, multiple phones, right? So I'm just taking only 4 phones, and you have to register all 4 phones. So there is one concept called pickup, and another one is group pickup, or in short, it would be called as a G pickup. Understood? So what will happen, like there is so much distance between or arrangement of these phones. So I have taken 4 extensions. Now I'm talking about the pickup, right? If anyone calling to any phone number, 2001, 2, 3, 4, anyone, but this user, you can say called number is not available to pick up the call. Now, this user 2004 wants to pick up this call. So what he needs to do, just press pickup key, pickup button, or you can say soft key. So my first requirement to configure the pickup and group pickup on hook, in on hook situation, then pickup and G pickup, both keys should be configured. And soft key layout, soft key configuration layout, we have done yesterday, right?
Yes, sir.
So on the on hook situation, pickup and group pickup, both keys are configured. So please, first step, configure the soft key template as on hook condition, pickup and group pickup. Both keys are there. First thing. Then you need to configure, or yesterday you did the 3 phones. Today we require 4 phones. For the group pickup, we will see later on. But first of all, we will do the pickup. Please,
Okay, sir.
if you want me to show the demonstration, yes, I can. But we have already done yesterday. So I need to check your memory, how much you are remember yesterday class. Should I do or you are doing?
You can do it again. I have practice my lab. It's okay.
Sorry, I missed your audio.
You can showing me, sir.
Okay, so at the device,
Device
device setting and soft
setting soft
template. If you find it, if you have configured,
sound range, sir. It's the
okay, standard
sound.
user sound. So if I go with here, configuration layout. On hook, there is no pickup and group pickup. So what I need to do, pickup, and one would be G pickup. Mm, where is G pickup? Call back G pickup.
Fourth option.
Both I have called, right? Now I have to configure the 4 phones. So what I'll do, let me close these 2 phones as well. This is the 1 and 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If I go to the CUCM, find, you can see here is nothing. So user, okay. So it's not configured. So let me configure it. Phone model is 7960. Let me copy this MAC address.
TFT servers are maybe all wrong. Check the TFT server.
Ah, I didn't focus there. Okay, this is also registered. Go to phone and last one. It's a soft key template shown. Save. Now, if you see, 4784 is not having the pickup. Huh? Only this one is having 54545 is having the all key, not others. Okay. Let me re-verify. Shown. Shown. Uh, on hook. Pickup, G pickup is there. Okay, fine. So what I'll do, I will go to the phones and reset all. Then check. Now you can see everyone is having the keys. 1, 2, 3. This is not getting 4784. Okay, no worries. We will make as a calling number. So I'm calling 5157 and dial. You can see it's ringing. Now I'll go to the another phone. This is, I want to pick up this call from this number 4545. So I will click on pick up. Ah, it's not working. Let me check the partitions. Partition. As of now, I'm just removing this partition And how to configure the pickup groups?
CSS must be changed. The colleagues aspects.
No, that is fine. I
No,
have made
that's
the
fine.
partition as a none for everything. So there is no issue. Partition, nothing is configured. So for call routing, you can see call pickup groups. I found and just creating one, add new. I'm putting 2525, 2525, right? I'm not putting any partition. And if you see call pickup group notification policy, I'm just selecting audio and visual alert, calling and call party, and hit save. Call pickup group number is required. Okay, sorry. I'm giving as a IT department, ITD, and save. And how you can implement? Just go to the phone, and I'm implementing on all phones. Go to the directory number. On the bottom of here, you will see the pickup group. Here you need to select. I am selecting ITD and save. Same with the others as well. Okay, 3 phones are enough. I'm just putting only 3 phones, not last one. And save. So, which is not configured, that is your 5157. So, let me 5157 is not configured. Okay, no problem. I'm calling from here 4545 and dial. Now I want to pick up this call from this number. Pick up. You can see one notification.
Yes,
Call is
sir.
there.
Correct.
4545. If I click on pickup, it came to me and answer. Understood?
Understood, sir. Understood very well.
So I have grouped 3 phones, this one. Now I'm giving you the second definition. If go to the group pickup and you can create a new one, like I say, help desk. Number is 2526. Same audio visual alert, calling and called party. What will happen? Let me get to the topology again. These 4 phones. These 4 phones, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are configured with call pickup group 2525. So if any phone is ringing, then other phone can press the pickup key and call will transfer to him. Is it clear?
Sir,
Okay. Now I'm taking one more group. Just suppose this is another group. You can say we have configured the help desk, right? Just suppose there is a 2005, 2006, 2007. 3 extensions or 3 phones are there. And its number is 2525 and its number is 2526. So, if any phone is ringing among of these four number, if anyone wants to pick up the call, they will press the pickup key, right? But if another group wants to pick up any phone that is ringing here, then this phone supposed to press the group pickup and dial the number. Only then it would be able to pick up the call, otherwise not. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So do you want to see the hands-on?
Yes, I want to see this, sir, please.
Okay, now take the control, right? And
Yeah.
register 6 phones. 4 phones are configured.
Yes, sir.
2 phones required. Please. So what you need to do, just what is the requirement? Uh, First thing, 6 phones, right? Second thing, two group pickup groups with different number. Third thing, assign first 3 phones to group pickup 1 and second 3 phones, or you can say other 3 phones to group pickup 2. Understood?
Yes,
And
sir. Sir?
the main thing is to understand or learn the collaboration. Main thing is perform the hands-on.
Sir, I didn't hear you, sir.
Now, still you are not able
Now,
to hear me.
now you are audible, sir, please.
Okay, so just I was talking about the collaboration. If you want
Yeah,
to learn and remember the collaboration technology, then
yeah.
you must do the hands-on. So just I'm asking you whether you want to perform this hands-on or should I do?
Yeah, I do, sir. I do, sir.
Okay,
Sir.
please. So
Okay, sir.
first thing, register 6 phones. So
Yes, sir.
4 phones are registered. You need to register only 2 phones.
Yes, sir.
You are having the control?
Uh, don't know. Yes, I think, yeah.
Okay, please.
Okay, sir. Right this. We have four, four.
Okay, wait. I'm giving you one tip. If
Yes, sir.
7960 phone is there, right? If you see
Yeah.
here, this is also 7960. Just
Yes.
use the MAC address here. Hence,
Okay. Say.
now if you see on the phone, okay, just okay, it got registered. No need to
Yes, sir.
do the steps.
Okay, sir. Okay, the next
Another
step.
method, another
Five.
shortcut.
Yeah.
Another shortcut is setting.
Yeah.
Let me make the change to CUCL. Uh,
Yeah.
we'll copy the MAC address. Okay. We'll go to the device. You will see 7960 with the same model. So if
Yeah.
you go to the last one, super copy, make it, paste it, save. It will take all the configuration. You are supposed to, ah, phone is already there.
Yes.
All phones are registered. Okay, no worries. We can do that hands-on later on. So now,
Okay.
what do you need to do? Just you need to create the second option,
Group
to configure the second option. Two pickup groups
to
with
pick up groups.
different number.
Okay. Uh, what is the dumb? This.
Just first the pickup group name, then number.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Pick up. I pick up. Sorry. Okay. Party.
From
Ah,
here, select the notification. Yes.
video recording. And another. Is the save successfully? Okay, sir. The pickup
Okay.
group is done now. The pickup
Okay.
group.
So just we have to configure. So we have two method. Two method. One, you can go to the phone, then click on directory number and select the pickup group. Otherwise, this is pickup group 2. So from here, you can
Okay.
select number. What are the numbers? Please note down on the notepad and then
Yeah.
you can configure. Go to the phone. Here we are having just first one is 4545 5154. Please note down this. All
Okay,
six.
sir. I have, sir.
Noted.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Now
so
we will go to the call pickup groups. So you have configured pickup 1
pickup one. Then I
3030. Okay. Tell me the first number 4544,
uh,
right?
4545.
Look up.
Look.
Call pickup group number contains Okay,
Or
no, here is not. So what we need to do, just
5153, sir?
just go to the 4545, pick up group number,
That was the right, sir.
pick up
No.
one, save. So
Yeah.
you have to do first three numbers, pick up one, and the second three numbers, pick up two. No worries,
Okay,
you
sir.
are getting close. No worries. We will open them again.
Okay.
You can have a look into your notepad and then can configure, right? We can open the phone again. Now go to the other three phones, assign the pickup two. From directory number, you can confirm. From directory number. No, 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 no. Go to the phone, then directory number. Make sure all phones having the soft key template. That is not configured 5163.
It's call to call pickup group. It's ready, sir.
Okay. So my all phones are registered. Now let's move to theory. What will happen? Okay. Tell me the first three numbers from your number from your notepad. This is my pickup group 1 and this is my 2. So what are the three numbers first? First three number. Sound. I yeah.
4545.
Hmm.
Then it's 5153
Hmm.
or 5154 is first three number.
Okay. Next three numbers.
5155,
Hmm.
4784, and 5055.
Okay. For this one, we are having the number as a 3030.
30, yeah.
If we are having the 404,
We'll see.
what will happen? If any call is coming to any number of this group, just suppose this phone is ringing, right? 4545. And this number 51454 wants to pick this call, then it will press the pickup, only pickup, and call will transfer to this number. Understood or not?
Understood.
Okay.
Without number, sir? Without number?
Yes, without number.
Oh, okay.
Again, 4545 is ringing. Now, from this group, from another pickup group, anyone wants to pick this call or transfer this call to its own number, then this number or this extension should press group pickup and dial this number. Three zero 3030. Let's see. Okay. So my grouping is 45455153. Let me adjust. 5154 is belongs to first one. This one. Then 5155 from external from here. 4784 belongs to second one. 4545 to this one. 5055 to here and this one here. So if someone is calling 5154, now I want to pick up from the same group, then I will pick up. Notification is there. I think something is wrong with config.
Something is wrong with the number
You can see
registered.
only pickup call is
Yeah.
transferred to 454, right?
Yes, sir.
So again, I'm calling to 5154. This is ringing. Now I'm going to this phone. From here, what I'll do, more group pickup and 0, 3, 0. You can see transferred. This is how it works.
This means that you can pick the phone for another group, right, sir?
Sorry, just a minute. One call, I think, going on. I'm not able to hear you properly. Okay, can you please repeat
So,
what you?
I mean, the group call pickup group means that you can pick the phone from another group, right, sir?
Yes. For that, you need to dial the pickup number.
Group pickup number. That's been okay, sir.
Okay, please perform this hands-on if you want to, and we can take a 5 minute or 10 minute break. Then we will continue.
Okay, sir. Then you pick that.
Your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please consult your directory and call
Hello, Shaun. Are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
Okay, fine. So, shall we proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
One question, sir.
Yes.
Yesterday, I tried to my physically telephone to connect my call manager, but I didn't get connection. I don't know why.
Okay. Let
But
me.
but the soft phone I can connect my with my call managers, no problem, nothing issue. But
Okay.
I tried to my physical telephone, that doesn't work, sir.
Okay. Physical telephone would not be connected without a switch. For that,
Without.
require a switch.
uh,
Only then
Okay.
you would be able to connect the physical phone.
But I have switch. It must be a separate VLAN or
VLAN would be required for the physical phone.
okay, that's why maybe.
That's why.
Okay. But I guess I try to soft phone, it's okay for working finely, it's everything good. But I tried to my physical phone with my switch, it's a unmanageable switch. I had to try,
No,
but was not not work.
unmanageable will not work.
Yes, okay.
Okay. So we are proceeding with the some theory part. So this is my call manager. If you see, there are multiple options in the navigation pane. On the right hand side, if you see navigation. So I'm taking first of all very easy part, that is your reporting. So you Cisco Unified Reporting. If you want to generate any report of the call manager, you can generate from here, system reports, and here you will get lots of option. So if you want to see the device summary, device count. So from here, if you click here, you will see what type of phones is there, how many, what are the numbers configured there. You will get all the details. So as you will learn further, like DB replication and extension mobility, you can generate the report from here, right?
You can hear generate the calling report also here, huh?
No, 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 not calling report,
Call.
only on CUCM database report.
Okay, see.
So you can generate any report from here. Next, if you see the second, uh, serviceability. So from here, if you want to activate or deactivate any service, because for every function, one service is responsible. So from the tool options and the first option, service activation, you need to select the server here. And from here, if you check the service and save, it will activated. If you uncheck the service and save, that will be deactivated. So just suppose if we are doing phone registration, for phone registration, the first service, Cisco Call Manager, and this Cisco TFTP, these two services are required for the phone registration. So if these are not activated or not running, then your phone will not get registered. So
Physical phones, huh?
yes,
Or
any phone, whether it is a
anything.
or soft, doesn't matter.
Uh,
So every service is responsible for a specific task, and we will learn about the services as we will proceed with the task and hands-on. Next, if you see the next control center feature services, and network services. The first option, service activation, from here, you can activate or deactivate, right? But from the feature or network services, you can start, restart, and stop. If you go to the tools, feature services, select the server, select the service, you can see, like if you select the CM service, you will get the option stop, restart, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the serviceability page. One is your dial number analyzer and other things. Other options we will use further once we will start to learn the gateways, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In serviceability, any doubt?
No, sir. Sometimes while we walking there, someone told the engineer the calling report. So I don't know where he find all calling report. It is
We,
separate service, sir?
we will pull that calling report. No worries.
Okay,
Right?
sir. I just ask you.
No, don't worry. Today is your second class. So we are covering the basics. Once your basics is clear, then we will proceed with the further topics.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, for the disaster recovery, this is used for the backup. So in our next class, I will do this. We will do this option. Or as of now, in my this laptop, my uh, SFTP is not running in this laptop. That's why we cannot uh, perform this hands-on. So I will prepare another lab and we can do the disaster recovery there, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, just next. How many types of user in CUCM? If we talk about the user management, now I'm taking the next topic as user management. Are you aware about the users in CUCM?
I think the end user, so end client, then it's admin user, super user, maybe.
Okay, so there are two kinds of user. One is your end user, one is your application user. So end user can manage own devices. How it will? We will see. Application user, you can say for administration task, or you can say for integration. Means you can say everything that is high level. We will use the application user. So what are the required thing for the application user? Normal user ID, user ID and password, right? And until we assign any role, it would not be able to log in. So how it will work? See, steps are go to the CM administration. From the user management, go to the application user. Find some are already inbuilt user. Then if I want to create a new one, I said uh, user ID. I said admin AD. Password, I said Cisco 123. Cisco 123. All this and save. If I go to another browser and put the IP address of CUCM, then go to the next window, CUCM Communication Manager. If I put admin AD, password Cisco 123 and try to log in, I will not. Why? Because this user is not having any role. So if you go down, last option, permission information. So you can click on add to access control group and click on find. If you select standard CCM read only, if I click here and mention read only, add selected and save. I have given the right as a only read only. So let's see what happens. Admin AD Cisco 123 and log in. I'm able to log in, but if you go to the device and phone, you will not see any button like add, delete, or modify. You can view the configuration only. So from the roles, we can decide what role we want to assign. Understood?
Should, sir.
If you want to give other right, go to access control group, mention super users, select, add selected and save. Just refresh this page, log out and log in back. Now, if you see on the phone, now you will get the options add new and other things because you have assigned the role as a super user. This is how we can create a application user and assign the roles as per our requirement. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How to create end user? Go to the end user, user management, end user. In case of end user, your user ID and last name is must. So if you click on, uh, let me go to here, end user, add new. I'm saying ROCKY, Rocky. Add password is, again I'm giving Cisco 123 123. Last name I said Rocky 1 and hit save. Now, if you go to the bottom, again, there is a no roles. So to log into the web, if I go to another browser and now this time I will click on self-care portal. I will put the username and password and sign in. It would not be able to log in. you do not have the required privilege to access the system. If any user reporting this issue, then just what you need to make sure, just check the roles. So I'm giving this the CCM end users. For the end user, you can give the this role CCM end users. Add selected and save. Now, if I put again ROCKY Cisco 123 pin, you can configure the pin whatever you want. Now you are able to log in. Why end user is required? They can do or they can manage their own devices. As of now, you can see there is no phone listed here. How can we assign a phone to a user? So I am in the user page, and here you can see device association. If I click here, a list of the phone, everything will be highlighted here.
Sir, there?
You will see.
Sorry.
You can see phone is there. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Now it's audible, sir. Yes, I see.
Okay, you can see phone is there.
Yes.
Click on phone or phone setting. Just you can define the services, ring services, call forwarding, speed dial numbers, everything you can define.
I can edit here also. So
Sorry?
can someone edit here the buttons edit? So
All
as per he look, I can set my button of other name or something else.
user can modify its own setting like call forwarding, ring setting, background, only this thing. But
Okay.
they cannot manage others' phone. They can manage their own phone, whatever phone is associated with its user ID. Here,
Yeah.
only these phones will be managed by user, right?
Okay. So yes, sir. Right.
Okay, so would you like to perform the hands-on of user management? Just create application user, assign the roles, end user.
Okay, sir. I
Okay,
did.
let
Bye.
me.
Bye.
You have the control, please check. Okay, you are having. CCM end users. Yes. Now go to another user, another browser and try to log in. You can open another browser, not another tab, not other tab, other browser. You can take a Edge or Chrome, sign out. Hmm. Sign out, please, from here. म्यूट कर ले अपने आप को. So you can define a new pin. So now you logged in, but you are not seeing any phone because you
Yes,
have not associated any phone.
yes. Now can I go to the situation?
Yes, you can go to the Firefox again, associate the device. Down, 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 down. Yes. You can check the front one, check the box which you want to associate. Save selected. You can now from the right hand side related links back to user go and save. Now save. Now from the Edge, sign out and sign in back. Now, if you want to check what settings you can perform, manual is also available there. And you can check the voicemail, forwarding, ring settings, services, and other things.
Now clear, sir. Yes, portal, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Should we proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next we are going to perform good hands-on. Like if you want to add multiple phone, you learn how to add a single phone from device phone and you can easily add new. But what if you are going to add 100 phones? So you will repeat this action 100 times? No. For that one, we are having one service that is called BAT, Bulk Administration Tool. And for that one service is responsible. Our topic is BAT. And from BAT, we can do so many things. BAT, Bulk Administration Tool. What is the use of it? To add multiple, or you can say anything, uh, user, device, or whatever at a time. And for this one service is responsible, which is bulk provisioning. Go to the serviceability, go. If you see in the service activation, go to the select the server. You see bulk administration. You will see somewhere. Where you are seeing bulk administration. This one, Cisco bulk provisioning service. So from here, we can verify whether this service is activated or not. So this is activated. And this is the feature of CUCM. So we will go to the feature services, whether it's a running or not. Activate and running, both are different. So from here, you can see this one. This is the start time and this is the up time. Is it clear?
Is it clear, sir?
Okay. Now, from the bulk administration, this is the bulk administration. Select the upload and download files. From here, if you click on find, you will see one file, that is bat.xlt. Just select this one. This is the inbuilt file in CUCM and download. So my file is downloaded. So I have to enter the details into this one. Just enable editing. Then enable the content macro. So from here, you will see, if you see, you will see multiple workbooks. So today we will learn how to add multiple phones at a time. So while if we are going to do the phone registration, then few things are mandatory. What are the mandatory things? If you remember on the device page, first one is your MAC address. Second one is your device pool. Third one is your phone button template. Fourth one is your device security profile. These are the mandatory. And if we go to the directory number, then directory number. That is the required thing. So first we will create a template. So how we can do that? Go to the bulk administration, go to the phones and phone template. You can see, click on phone template,
Yes, sir.
just like a phone ad. So here, common things we will configure. If I click here, you will see multiple. If I say add new 7960, at a time, one phone button template can be created or configured. We can add multiple phones with same phone model, not others. Protocol, I am taking SCCP. I will explain the theory of SCCP and other things, SIP, later on. I'm just giving the name like 77960 dash Manish. Description, you can leave or you can mention test 7960. Then the mandatory things, device pool, I'm taking as a default. Phone button template 7960, or even if you want to define your whatever you want, you can define that one. After that one, device security profile, only this thing. Then save. In a directory number, add a new DN. Here I will mention line 1, any text, and save. This is, I have created the phone button template. Now I will prepare my this format. So if you see create file format, I will click here. Okay, now this is your device page, MAC address and description. What other option you want to configure? You can select from here CSS, device pool, and other things, whatever you want, right? In a line field, nothing is configured, so I will select directory number and pull it here. Only three things I will use and create. Yes. So now MAC address, MAC address in a hexadecimal format. So what I can do, like AA, BB, CC, DD, 1, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 1, 3, enter. Now I am just dragging this one. I took this one, description, I'm putting user 11 and just again dragging. Right. Directory number, I gave like 45461. No, 4546. Again, I'm dragging this one. As per requirement, we will get this list from the management, like this. These are the MAC addresses. These are the username, and these extensions we can assign. So we will get all the details. After doing this one, we have completed. You can see export to BAT format. I will click on that. So you can see this file will go to the XLT data files, and you can remember 2331, last 4 digit, and okay, done. Now I will go to the CUCM. Again, upload download files. I will upload that file. Browse. XLT, XLT, XLT. So this is my file, which I have put it as of now. Open. Then select the target. What is this? This is the phone. Transaction type. So specific details, we are not putting all details. We are putting specific details. I will select it and save. Okay. I have uploaded the file. Now verify the device and phones. How many phones you are seeing? Just only 11, right? This is for the verification. I'm going, go to the phones. Validate phones. Validate means the file which we have uploaded, we will verify whether it is correct or not. If it's containing any error, it will give us. It will show error. So phone template name, just I have created 7960 Manish, and submit. Now I'll check whether it is a successful or not. So from the bulk administration, last option, job scheduler. Just click on that. Find. If your service is not activated, then it will be on hold. So you can see this one, validate phones. Check the result. You can see success. How many phones? 14. This is my validation has been completed. It means I have done everything correct. Now I will go to the real. You can see insert phone. In insert phone, take the same like file, template, and you can see run immediately and submit. Again, go to the job scheduler. So you can see it's a processing. So just we have to wait for a while. Click on find, refresh the page. Okay, it's completed. Now, if you click on here, you will see success. How many result? 14. Verify. Go to the device, phones. You can see
All
all.
is there. Phone is there. Yes, sir.
So this is how, if we are in a voice administration and hiring is on process or anything happens, if new site is going to deploy and there are multiple phones, if 100 phones are there, then you will get an Excel sheet of the MAC addresses. Just you need to prepare that file, copy paste, upload the file, and all phone will get registered.
Sir, we get also phone button bulk tools? Phone
Sorry.
button. We can get also Excel list like phone buttons.
Phone buttons. Sorry, I'm not
Yeah.
about your question.
I didn't know this. You have a soft key. We have a extra what is it? Is a extend module tool. Phone modules extend. It is we have a key, 32 keys, extra buttons for the phone. We can save like a telephone book.
We can use like
How can you use the extend modules for the phone?
yes, if you want to add extra buttons to your phone, so the inbuilt button are there, but if you want to add extra buttons, then there is a expansion module
Okay.
that needs to be added to the phone, and from there we can configure the phone button template and we are good to go.
Okay. At first we create the for phone button template, then we can create for the
Phone button template,
okay.
if you have seen in the phone
Yeah.
template, Manish, there is an option, phone button template, which you want to implement. Soft key is also there. Calling search space is already there. Everything is there. That can be implemented,
Okay, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So would you like to perform this hands-on? I would suggest, please, because it's a very important hands-on for the bulk.
Yes, sir. Okay. Now I try one. Mm,
If you are defining the description, then all phones will take the same description. Just this is to inform you.
It's
And
good, sir. I must be know about this.
okay, so if you have defined the description, then you can do as yours. Otherwise, you can define into the Excel sheet as well. And after today's class, you will have 5 days, right? So I would suggest please practice, practice, practice. You can refer the recordings and perform the hands-on. As much as you perform the hands-on, you will remember all the steps on your tongue. Add a new DN on the left-hand side, directory number, mention line 1.
I, now it goes to back to the download, right,
First
sir?
of all, you have to prepare the Excel format
Yeah.
file.
I go
That
to
is already
report.
downloaded, open. If you see on the taskbar, that is already downloaded and open. You can modify that one.
Which one, sir?
On here, like this one file is already there
There, yeah.
on the
Ah,
bottom.
yes, sir. But
If you want to download a new one, you can.
okay.
bat.xlt.
This is good.
Select.
So this is and now is this one. Enable the editing.
Enable content.
Content.
Now from the bottom workbook.
We could go back to
Hmm.
phone.
Keep continue. Create file format. So on the top, you have seen from the left hand pane, if you whatever want options to configure, you can select. So CSS, we will for the same site or depends on you what you want. On the second line field, you can select Middle one. Line fields. From here,
Line
directory number.
fields.
Directory number. If you select and press D, you will move to directory number. Press D.
Press D. Ah, okay.
Directory number. Just create. Yes. Now enter the details. 12-digit MAC address. 0 to 9 and E to F. So I would suggest last 2 digit take as a numerical so that you can drag and we can fill the series. Right. Export to BAT format. So remember last 4 digit 3755. Okay. Okay. Now upload that file to CUCM. Add new. Select the file. Browse. Okay. On the top, first one, yes.
Phones, right, sir?
They are doing phones now. That's why.
Yes.
With specific details.
Insert specific details and say.
Now validate. Phones.
So,
Validate phones.
validate.
Drop down, select the file. Template which you created. Submit. Now go to the job scheduler. Find. Search. Go to the bottom. You can see. Completed. Okay. Click on the job ID.
Job ID.
It's a success. The number of entries 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now insert phone. Same. Phones, insert phone. Run immediately. Submit. Now job scheduler. It's a processing.
Completed now.
Okay. Now check the phones, or you can click on job ID to check the result. Success. Now you can check the phones.
Complete.
You can see your description test is there. If you see the number of
This,
MAC
this,
address.
this, yes, sir. Want to say test, all description is here. Yes, sir. Done.
Congratulations. You have learned
Thank
the
you, sir. I tried to today evening after after this class.
okay. Just tell me one thing. Yesterday we did only for a 2 hours class. Today
Yes,
we
sir.
have done more than 2.5 hour class. Have
Yes.
you realized like we have spent more than 2.5 hours?
2.5 hours is good, sir.
No, no, I'm asking you. We have spent more than 2.5 hours. We have
Yeah.
taken a break of 10 minutes or 15
Yeah.
minutes.
Yeah.
So, have you realized like you are studying?
Yes, sir. Of course, sir. Really, really, really.
So, I
Tomorrow I see my boss. Then I discuss with him what I know about something better now.
mm,
You know, is my chef. He's from German
mm,
engineers like Cisco. German, what is this? German division is head of the German division is from Cisco,
okay.
and
So,
he inspired me. Hey, go and learn more. So,
no worries, Shaun. Just you have taken 2 days classes, including today. All right.
yeah,
Now,
yeah,
within 2 days, we have done few topics. You
yeah,
can feel confidence in yourself. I'll not, or nobody will tell you. You can feel yourself.
yes, sir. No, you pushing me too much, sir. It's good. You know, you're pushing me very well, sir. I learned a lot of things for behind the scene, how it work now. I know all button, all things I know, but I don't know how it works. I don't know.
Hmm.
Now I feel a bit about more than deeply. I know something else today. Pickup group. I know I can create a pickup group. It's not. It's every day I create a pickup group every day, sir. It's no problem. But I don't know how it works in behind the scene.
Ah,
Now I know, sir.
okay. So,
Pickup group. Yes, sir. Call parking. I know. Thank you, sir. I know, sir.
no worries. I'm here to train you. Just want to confirm with you. Should we proceed with new hands-on or we should stop for today?
Today stop, sir. We can next week discuss.
Okay, fine. Next week, we can extend our timing, right?
Yes, sir. It's good.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Shaun.
Thank you, sir. Please tell me, Maria, madam, that she can send me the link, the videos, then can I prepare for my
Okay,
PPT again?
I'll talk to them and will ask you.
Thank you, sir. You are great, sir. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you very much.
Thanks,
Most
sir.
anytime.
Good evening, sir.